Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 624 centimeters. The height of this triangle is k root 3 centimeters, where k is a constant, and we're asked, what is the value of k? So I think it's going to be helpful here for solving this problem to draw a diagram. It doesn't have to be exact, but just get the rough shape of an equilateral triangle. We know that the perimeter of this triangle is 624 centimeters. What does that mean for the actual sides? Well, in an equilateral triangle, all the sides are the same. So if we divide 624 by 3, we get 208. And that means we have 208 centimeters for each side. So we can just write this in before we continue. Next, we're looking for the value of the height of this triangle. So we can draw the height just like that. And we're going to use the angles that are created by this line and by the triangle to use trigonometry to find this value. So in an equilateral triangle, the height makes a right angle with the base. So these are both right angles. Next, we know that the angles of an equilateral triangle are all the same. The angles in a triangle add up to 180. So each one is 180 divided by 3, which is 60. So this is 60 degrees, this is 60 degrees, and this is also 60 degrees, but we're not going to worry about it because it's being split up. This whole thing is 60 degrees, so we would expect that this is 30 and this is 30. If you don't know that this is necessarily true, that it does bisect to the angle, what you can do is you can say, once again, the angles in a triangle add up to 180. So we have 90 plus 60 plus, let's just call this angle here x for now, or equal to 180. 90 plus 60 is 150 plus x, which is equal to 180. And getting x on its own by subtracting 150 from both sides, these cancel, and we get x is equal to 180 minus 150, which is 30. So this is 30, and by the same angles in here, this is 30 as well. So now we see that we've turned this equilateral triangle into two 30, 60, 90 triangles. What does that mean for this? Well, we can use the fact that the ratio of the sides in a 30, 60, 90 triangle are 1 to root 3 to 2. So the smallest side, which is opposite the 30-degree angle, is going to be 1. We can use the variable x here to represent x root 3, and 2x, just because we don't know what the actual values are. This is just the ratio. So we have x, the side opposite the 60-degree angle is x root 3, and the hypotenuse is 2x. Now, since we know the value of the hypotenuse, we can find the value of x for this particular triangle. 2x is equal to 208, dividing by 2, x is equal to 104. So therefore, if we have 208 here, we have 104 and 104 root 3. Remember, x root 3 is the height of this triangle, and it's what we're looking for. Therefore, k root 3 equals 104 root 3. We're looking for the value of k, which we can see here by canceling these out. K equals 104.